leaving the hotel and the bikes are still here. Thankfully. Good morning, guys, and welcome back. We're leaving our hotel here in Otrokovice, I think. And yeah, I think today is day 5, something like that. Feels like we've been on the road for like 2 weeks already. So the plan for today is riding to Slovakia, and in the Tatra, Low Tatra National Park, there's a nice road there in a ski area. I think you can nicely ride through, and yeah, so you can see a bit of Slovakia as well before then heading towards south into Hungary. We'll see. I booked an accommodation for today already, so we don't get something like this one that is way out of our budget. Around 4 hours says Google Maps for everything today, 4 or 5 hours. Firstly 3 hours to the start of the national park and the road there, and yeah, we're gonna use now the B roads and then a bit of highway as well, and then again normal roads. So should be a nice day. 27 degrees already, which is pretty warm. Definitely the warmest we've had so far. Yeah, we'll see how today will go. A quick stop here at the gas station to fill up again before we leave Czechia. Filled up, and now we're back on the road. Another 2.5 hours to the start of the kind of a pass road, I think. We'll see. Okay guys, I missed the sign, but we are in Slovakia already. Will there be anything else to confirm that we're really in Slovakia? Here we go. Slovensko. So far so good. Weather's holding up nicely. Comfortable 23 degrees. So perfect. Now we're in our brothers and sisters country, Slovenia and Slovakia, that most people can get right. I think it's my first time here ever, like even crossing. I think we only crossed through Czechia once. here we go, entering the highway for some time. I read that it's free for motorcycles, so hopefully my information isn't wrong. We'll see. Lake here. Okay, we're leaving down here Žilina West, Zapad. Leaving the highway, I guess. Now another 100 kilometers on B roads. Okay, now we reached the town Žilina, or city. This is a bigger place. Looks like the traffic lights don't work anywhere. Everything's black. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna pass it. We're going to the centrum of the town or city. It's like Martin. Building tunnels here or what? For this highway, yeah. Yeah, we're entering the highway again for a few kilometers. 1 hour to go. Pretty busy. Getting out of Žilina is pretty busy. It's quite a long time. This is where the highway ends completely. Yeah, here we go. Now it's only this one. Road number 18 for us. Okay, we arrived here. We saw that there's a nice stop, motor stop, or motor stop for cars and motorcycles. Today's lunch a bit earlier than usually, 2 p.m. by the roads. Bon appetit! Okay, here we go. Leaving the little place, lunch place. This one's going in. Okay, let's wait for the others. Then we'll continue. Rijeka. Karlovanje, часть Rijeka. Here we go. Ooh. I have another hour to the top of the pass, and yeah, let's see. Here we go, and we're back on the highway. Looks like 25 kilometers on the highway now. Okay, so we are off the highway again. I think this was now the last time for today. It is nice, nice combination, a bit of highway, a bit of B roads, main roads, so it goes a bit faster. The highway really, the flow of traffic is really a lot faster. B roads are really quite yeah, busy, but yeah, now we're slowly getting to the national park, and yeah, 16 minutes and we should be already up there, and we were even inside the park already. I don't know, a memorial here. Okay, here we go. This is the road now to the ski resort. A biker already coming down, so this is good. And our main destination now is Banska Bystrica. So that's where I booked the accommodation. 75 kilometers still, so take us a little bit until there, and I think we're gonna stop on top for a little break before we'll continue. So let's see, 10 minutes and we're already up at the ski resort. So, and another biker here. Finally, I think that we're on top. Let's wait for them here. Like we entered another world. On this side the sun came out. Blue skies. very nice. Okay, right now we are on around 1200 meters. Čertovica Pass, and also ski resort I think they have here. And yeah, very nice. Not too cold, not too warm, perfect. Sun came out. Many bikers passing all the time. So many bikers. I don't think I see so many in a week if I ride every day in Slovenia that I saw today. Really a big motorcycling country. Czechia and Slovakia. Some cyclists coming up now, and here we go. I read that also that this is the highest pass in highest paved pass in Slovakia. 1200 and something, 30 meters, 33. So that's the reason why so many bikers go here. Pretty popular. So now we have 15 minutes to Banska Bystrica, to our accommodation for today. Finally one day that we come a bit earlier. Looks like up there is also a ski resort. At least it looks like that. The slopes and all of that. Until we see. What a lovely little town. Church here. Definitely see up there are ski lifts, the poles. There we go, Mito. Little ski resort. It must be fun in the winter. Now I noticed we're riding on the Route 66. There was a restaurant and I think a motel before Route 66. I didn't know why. Maybe I thought because the name looks, the name sounds good, they choose this one. But now I see that we're really riding on the Route 66. So at least I've ridden on the Slovakian Route 66. If I've never ridden in the USA, never even visited before, but hopefully one day. At least that's one of my mother's dreams, to ride there someday. Another 5-6 kilometers and suddenly the highway started again. We're suddenly on the highway again. been I don't know how many times on and off today. Okay, here we go, arrived at our little pension. Alright guys, here we are in our little room in Banska Bystrica. 60 euros plus 7 euros per person for breakfast. Pretty nice, I think. The only thing is that it's a bit loud because the highway bridge is right next to it, so yeah, only downside, but other than that it's nice, basic, and one of the cheapest here around. And we need cheaper because we spent quite a bit yesterday. So today we rode all the way from Zlin, Otrokovica through Žilina to here, Banska Bystrica. Right now it still looks pretty nice, but tomorrow at around 1 p.m. it's going to start raining, so we'll have to make our way as fast as possible towards Hungary, because there it's not going to rain, and in southern part of Slovakia. So we're also gonna use like highways and a mixture of highways and B roads, so we still get to see some villages and towns and all of that, just like today. It was a nice combination, and we made some nice progress, some nice distance. Since we need to be back on Monday, this is perfect. Yeah, so we're gonna ride to Balaton tomorrow. Hopefully we'll manage, and then in the afternoon we're gonna swim a little bit there, and probably Monday morning as well. And then we have another 4 hours, I think, back to Slovenia. So this will be nice. My father and mother went into town, probably in a restaurant or something. Yeah, I'm not really that hungry, so I skipped that. Stayed here to watch the game, Switzerland and England. 1-0 for Switzerland at the moment. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's look at the view again. Also not the quiet as this side. Both sides are pretty busy, but okay. So yeah, this is it for this one, and see you in the next video. Bye, or tomorrow, I don't know. Bye.